Hello, boss. Forget about everything you have been hearing about projector not being cleared or not working during the day. Have you seen our small but mighty smart Android 4K projector? With this projector, you can do a whole lot. All right, here is the projector. As you can see, it's very portable and mobile. You can use it to travel. You can use it for your lecture. You can use it in your church. You can use it literally everywhere. So right now we are going to plug it and see how it works. All right, here is the accessory box. This is the power cable. This is the remote. Okay, and this is the manual, the instruction guide. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, this is the HDMI port, this is the USB port, and this is the power port. So we are going to plug all that. With this HDMI, you can connect to your laptop, you can connect to your decoder, DSTV, GoTV, StarTime, any of your decoder, plug your laptop. With this USB port, you can slot in your flash drive and everything, and it will display on the projectors. Okay, we are going to use all that and see how effective this product is. All right, here's the power cable. Let's plug it and see how it works. All right, we've powered it. Let's on it and see how effective it is. Okay, so let me put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Okay, as you can see, it's coming up. It's very clear. This is very clear, man. It's coming up. Okay, I'm just setting it to make it very clearer. Okay, yeah, the function. As you can see, this is Netflix, this is YouTube, and this is the Google Play. This is where you download apps. You just need to connect it to an internet. You need to connect it, you need to sign in. But right now, I'm not doing that. So this function, this HDMI. This is where you get access to all the HDMI devices you plug to the projector, either DSTV, GoTV, and this is where you get access to all the file on flash. So this is applications. Yeah, this is where you see most of the apps. As you can see, gallery has music, has Play Store, YouTube, remote setting. As you can, everything is intact, and this is Mirrorcast. This Mirrorcast, you use it to screencast your phone. So we are going to try all that, and this is Prime Video. You see that this projector is very lovely. So we are going to try all this function. I'm going to slot in flash and make use of it. We see it better. Okay, let me slot in the flash and see documents we have on this flash. Okay, all right. Let's see all the files on documents that is on that flash. All right. Here's the flash. As you can see, all these documents are all available. Let me play something here. I think we should have a video here. Did you see this? Did you see how clear it is? Very, very clear. Okay, I think this is a picture. This is a picture. It's very clear. The picture of the projector. I think we should have other files on it. We should have music in here. Let me see if we have. All right, so all your documents that is in your flash will show up here, either your presentation or whatever you want to use it for. Just save it in the flash and plug it to the projector. So let's go to another option. Let's go to, let's connect it to internet. If you want to connect to internet, to Wi-Fi, go to settings, and to load up the settings. As you can see, this is a wireless network and this is Bluetooth settings. So all I need to do is to click on this wireless network and turn on the Wi-Fi. So we'll now search for all the available Wi-Fi. As you can see, I want to connect this my phone Wi-Fi Infinix 0x. So I click on it, and it will ask me to enter the password. I'll quickly enter the password. Campus. Okay, so as you can see, it's connected. I think we are having network problem. It's connected. Let's go to on YouTube and see if we can display something. See how effective it is. So it's loading. This is YouTube. Wow, this is lovely. You see how clear it is. Let me just play one of these stuff that is there. It's loading. Our network is fluctuating. Wow, this is nice, man. And that sound is coming directly from the projector. You can hear the sound, right? And also, you can link your audio speaker. You can link your speaker to it. Okay. You can play search for any video you want. You can search for any video you want and play on YouTube. You already know how YouTube works. All right, let me just go back. Okay, this is Netflix. Netflix, you need to sign in, but right now, I don't want to sign in. Right now, you need to sign in and start using it. So I will still need to go back and show you more options. Okay, let's go back to the settings. I want to show you where to connect your Bluetooth. You can connect all your speakers, your wireless speakers here. Once you click on Bluetooth, it will search for all the Bluetooth that is online. Just pair it with the very one you want to connect to, and all the sound will be going to the speaker. So that's just it. And as you can see, these are other settings of the projector. This is more setting, other setting of the projector. All right. Okay. You can do other settings here. Okay. Let me show you guys how to connect it to your DSTV or your Go TV decoder. So follow my step. First of all, you have to press the help button on your remote control and navigate it. You press the help, then navigate it. Look for settings. Make sure you look for settings. Now we are on settings. Scroll down to users preferences. Users preferences. So come to video audio. come to video and auto and press OK. Then after then, come down to HDMI output. Come down to HDMI output. It will be on 1080. Make sure you put it on 720. You see that it changes. Make sure you put it on 720p. It might stop working on your television. So once it stops working on your television, just remove the HDMI cord and plug it to the projector. I don't know if you understand. You have to do this setting before you plug the HDMI cord to the projector. So once you just set out this output to, once you set it to 720p, once you set it to 720p, it will start working. Just plug it to your projector and that is just it. It will start working. So thank you. See the result. It's showing on my TV, and look at my projector. It's on my ceiling. Look at how beautiful and clear it is. This is the projector working. This is the TV. Tell me the difference. Tell me the difference. It's very good, man. Okay, this is how to screencast your phone with the projector. So you go to applications. You see we have two ways of screencasting here. We have the Mirrorcast and the AirPlay. So this, if you are using Android, you will use this Mirrorcast. This Mirrorcast is for you. So you will make sure that your phone hotspot is connected to the projector. So once you connect the hotspot to the projector, then just once you just turn on your cast on your Android phone, you will see the projector. And make sure that you open the Mirrorcast on the projector before you turn on this, so that we'll search for the projector signal. Click on it. Once you click on it, you need to accept it on the projector. You need to accept. I've accepted it. As you can see, my phone is connected to the projector. My phone is, anything I'm doing on the phone right now, you will see it on the projector live. That's the projector. If I play any video, anything will work. That's for Android. Let me show you for iPhone. Okay, once you connect the iPhone hotspot, once it's connected, as you can see, this is the iPhone I want to use right now. So I'll go back to the Mirrorcast, the AirPlay. So if I enter application, I'll see AirPlay. Once I click on AirPlay, I will now click on this screen mirroring on the iPhone. This icon is on all iPhone. Just click on it. It will search for the projector. As you can see, the projector has shown. Just click on it again, and it will connect. It is connected. You can see the iPhone screen is on the projector. So you can even bend your screen like this, and it's not on rotating screen. Whatever you do on this phone now is showing on the projector. So that's that. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and share the video.